Hello, welcome back again on IT Genius Cyber, and I'm very much pleased to actually take you through this nice tutorial. And with this tutorial today, we're actually going to look at a new software and still developed using the Flutter framework. I know we have been actually doing a lot with mobile development, right? And this is really a nice start for you to actually get to know that actually Flutter framework can actually develop for you different projects for you, and a mobile, web, and maybe desktop applications as well. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain to you our new software we have actually come up with. It's called DevMikro, and I'm going to explain to you what DevMikro does. What is DevMikro? How can you use it? What it is, its importance, how to actually interact with it, and how is it going to be useful on your network. So I'm very sure a lot of you have actually used Mikrotiks before. Yeah, so this is more useful to people actually into the department of networking. So you know what I'm talking about. So a Mikrotik is that router board that actually helps you create rules on your network, right? So what DevMikro is actually going to help you with is that it's going to help you configure that Mikrotik in just one click away. Just like how I've always been telling you that with Flutter, you only have one single code base for all multiple platforms, right? You only write one single code for all multiple platforms, isn't it? And likewise for DevMikro as well. Isn't it interesting? Yes, it is, right? Because you only have one single software, DevMikro, and you can set a number of Mikrotiks with just one button click, right? How is that? I think it's really kind of fancy somehow, right? Because you don't need to stress yourself with getting a Mikrotik for, let's say, a version of L009. Let's say it's version 7 point something or 6 point something. Let's say you have a Mikrotik for RB94 series, RB95 series, and many versions of Mikrotiks, right? So you don't need to have specific firmware for each and every Mikrotik, isn't it? You don't have to go downloading user manager for each and every Mikrotik. Isn't it irritating? Yes, it is. So here comes in what we call DevMikro. It's actually going to help you configure all the Mikrotiks with just one single call away. Actually, you don't need even a website. You don't need a hotspot website, because it's actually going to help you integrate an embedded website for your users to log in and actually access your internet. So people who have been doing Wi-Fi hotspots, and you sell internet to different people, right? This is actually going to be very useful to you, because it's actually having quite many integrations within. You have payment system within, you have a voucher system within. You can create a number of vouchers within. You don't need user manager this time around, right? Because in latest versions of L009 7 point something, that those who are actually having version of 7 point something, they don't require you to have user manager outside of it. It's just within the Mikrotik itself, and it's really hectic to configure, isn't it? Do you really need that? I don't think you really need that, right? Now comes in DevMikro, because it will actually help you configure each and everything, each rule or each and every rule of your choice on your Mikrotik just in one single click. Isn't that amazing? It is, right? So initially, when you open DevMikro, it will actually automatically detect the Mikrotik you have actually connected to your LAN. That means you need to connect it into a specific port that you're going to actually set as your admin port, and I'm actually going to explain that in the next tutorial, right? So reach out and actually get to see all the playlist videos are actually given you, so that actually you get to know how to create vouchers, how to create profiles, how to upload vouchers to the cloud server, how to use the payment system, and I'll actually demonstrate to you different ways on how to upload your vouchers, how to create the vouchers. And this will be my phone here. and actually we use it for purposes of payments, and you actually get to see that all the payment system is just live and active there and then. Thank you for watching, and let me await you in the next video.